Hello, I just wanted to go over some quick changes on the work that you did. And looking at the new work, for instance, these colors right here, all of this right here, and the football, these colors right here, the only change I would like to see is this color scheme right here, instead of that yellow color scheme. In addition to that, we can also try it with this color scheme. Not necessarily a bad look. I just don't like the yellow in there. And the only other change I really see at this point in time, like this looks good, so I wouldn't say get rid of this one. I would just say try those color schemes in an additional color. But the other change I would see, for instance, right here, let's use the metallic gold. Let's use the metallic gold, and we can even try the metallic brown right there. It's a great look. It's literally just colors that need to be changed at that point. For this one, for instance, for sure, the metallic gold. So for this color, what I'm talking about is right here. All right, going into the other changes that I saw. With this football should be on the ground. Color scheme is great. Just put this football on the ground. This side looks perfect. Only question I would have is, can we make these look more standard? Right now they look like pretty off when it comes to the F and the E, and also down here with the E. So it doesn't have to be the basic look, but right here is just a little too elongated. And I realized that was on this one, but I'm just now seeing it. For instance, this lettering is perfect. We can just keep this format. Just down here on this. So those are really the only two changes that I see. Literally everything should be in either this color or the metallic black. Once again, I do like these colors. And that is it. Hopefully, with those changes, it should be the last round. Sorry for the noise, I'm in the airport, so if you can't hear me, let me know and I'll make another video later. But those should be the last few rounds of changes, and it's simply just some color changes. Alright, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I appreciate all of your patience, and as soon as this is done, I'll also be ordering the social media kit as well. Thank you.